Good morning, students. Welcome to class 5 mathematics. Today we are continuing the chapter how many squares. So come to the first problem. Number 1, here is a rectangle of area 20 square centimeter. You can see here is the here is a rectangle of area 20 square centimeter. Each one is a square and area of each small square is 1 centimeter square. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 20 centimeter square. Now come to the first problem. Draw one straight line in this rectangle to divide it into two equal triangles. What is the area of each of the triangles? So you can see here I have taken one rectangle of area 20 centimeter square, and this rectangle is divided into two equal parts. So here I have drawn a line along its diagonal, and this diagonal divides the rectangle into two equal triangles. How can I check that these two triangles are equal? If I put one on another, it will coincide. So these two triangles are equal length, equal area. And what is the area of each triangle? As the rectangle divided into two equal triangles, and the area of the rectangle is 20 centimeter square. So area of each triangle will be 10 square centimeter. So 10 square centimeter. This is the first problem. Next, come to the next problem. Number B. Draw one straight line in this rectangle to divide it into two equal rectangles. What is the area of each of the smaller rectangles? So here I have taken one rectangle of 20 centimeter square and divide it into two equal parts. So each part will have the area of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 centimeter square. So if I divide a rectangle into two of area 20 centimeter square into two equal part, so each part will have an area of 10 centimeter square. So what is the area of each of the smaller rectangles? 10 square centimeter. Now come to the next problem. Draw two straight lines in the rectangle to divide it into one rectangle and two equal triangles. So here I have taken one rectangle of 20 square centimeter. You can see here. Now first of all I have divided it into two parts. So each part consists of 10 square centimeter area. Next, another I have taken one part and cut along through its diagonal, and there are two triangles of equal area. There are two triangles of equal area. So, question number 1, what is the area of the rectangle? Here rectangle means the smaller rectangle. The area of the smaller rectangle is 10 square centimeter. And the second part, what is the area of each of the triangles? So area of each of the triangle is 5 square centimeter. As the rectangle of 10 centimeter is divided into two equal parts. That is 5 square centimeter. So in this way you can do this type of problem. Now I have given you some homework of the same kind of problem. Everyone must do it. Here, take a rectangle of area 16 square centimeter. Draw one straight line in this rectangle to divide it into equal triangles. What is the area of each of the triangle? Number B, draw one straight line in this rectangle to divide it into two equal rectangles. What is the area of each of the smaller rectangles? Number C, draw two straight lines in this rectangle to divide it into one rectangle and two equal triangles. What is the area of the rectangle? What is the area of each of the triangles? So everyone must do your homework in your classwork copy, and along with this homework you will get a winter vacation assignment in the PDF form.